Yep, this is the ruins of Be Cat Legacy, I guess. The game never got a new update. This is just it. Everything's gone. It's all broken. Oh, from the big balls to like the trees, the credits, the photos, everything. It's all gone. They left this game to rot. Now we have nothing. There's nothing we can do. We are just straight up fucked. There's nothing I. There's nothing what I or any what. There's like nothing what I or any cat can do. The last thing remaining, I guess, is like secret room thingy. Oh shit.